BMW just dropped what could be its most important car ever, and it's fully electric. The new Class i3 is here, and it's basically the future of the 3 Series. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. BMW is calling this car the very essence of the brand, and they're not holding back. The new i3 packs a massive 108 kilowatt-hour battery that can go nearly 560 miles on a single charge, which is seriously pushing past range anxiety fears. That alone is a game changer. It launches as the 50 xDrive, meaning a twin-motor setup with 469 horsepower and 649 Nm of torque. In simple words, it's fast, smooth, and built to feel like a proper BMW. But the real magic is inside. BMW's new Superbrain system is the heart of joy, driving tech process data in milliseconds, making acceleration, braking, and steering sharper than anything they've made before. Charging is just as wild. Thanks to an 800-volt system, you can add up to 250 miles of range in about 10 minutes. That's basically a quick coffee stop. Inside, it's all futuristic vibes. A huge panoramic vision strip runs across the windscreen, projecting customizable info, while a 17.9-inch screen and AI-powered Alexa voice assistant keep everything smart and connected. Design-wise, it's bold but familiar. Low, wide, and sporty with a cleaner kidney grille. Some people online aren't loving the rear, but others say it's BMW's first truly fresh design in years, and this is just the start. A wagon version and an all-electric M3 are already on the way. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.